It's time to start reimagining TV. Introducing Firetv Cube, the first all-in-one streaming media player with hands-free Alexa built in. Now it's easy to do things like this.
Alexa, turn on the TV.
Firetv Cube can hear you from across the room.
Alexa, play Sneaky Pete.
And with infrared technology, it's easier to control your entertainment hands-free.
Alexa, switch to cable.
Wait, what time was the game?
Alexa, tune to Fox.
We've partnered with Netflix, ESPN, Hulu, and others to let you do more simply by using your voice.
Alexa, rewind 30 seconds.
Alexa, next episode.
Plus, Firetv Cube is always getting smarter.
Alexa, show my flash briefing.
So now it's easier to get more out of the biggest screen in your house.
Alexa, show me nearby restaurants.
Even when your TV is off, Alexa is ready to help.
Alexa, add Pinot Noir to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added it to your list.
And of course, you can still enjoy all the content you love.
Alexa, search for action movies.
Yes!
From HBO, Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, and more. Firetv Cube. Let's start reimagining TV.
To navigate your Firetv home screen with your voice, you can say things like, Alexa, show more, or Alexa, scroll down. You can also jump right to specific rows on your homepage. Just say, Alexa, select number 4. Some apps have even gone deeper with Alexa voice control. If you know exactly what you want to watch, just ask, Alexa, watch The Handmaid's Tale.
Through the work of the penitent, we can.
To go back to your Firetv home screen from anywhere, just say, Alexa, go home. In addition, you can jump to My Videos. Just say, Alexa, go to My Videos. Alexa, go to Movies. You can also jump right into your watch list or video library. Just say, Alexa, go to my watch list.
Here's watch list.
Or try, Alexa, go to my video library.
Here's your video library.
Or do a search for a specific genre. Alexa, show me comedies.
Here's what I found.
When you're searching for a TV show or movie, you can scroll right or left on the page to see more. Alexa, scroll right. Alexa, select number 8.
Why didn't you just say pick up your feet?
I didn't know if you were tired.
You were being passive aggressive.
No, I wasn't.
You are so infuriating.
Please stop yelling.
I'm not yelling. Oh, it's
Honey,
perfect.
do you love it?
Fire up your TV. Everything you loved watching online can now become a big screen experience. Introducing the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Get set for an all-new kind of HD TV entertainment. This ultra-compact, super-fast streaming device can play anything you want it to. Well, it's not a genie, but it can play movies, TV shows, songs and games through apps like Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Hotstar, Gaana, Eros Now, and more, all on your HD TV. Setting up your Amazon Fire TV Stick is no rocket science. Just plug it into your HD TV, connect it to a power source and to your Wi-Fi for instant high-definition entertainment. All you need to do is log into your Amazon account and get started. On the Amazon Fire TV Stick, you can set the video quality for the content you stream. You can also set a monthly data consumption limit so that the device works well within your data plan. Say it, play it.
2.5 men?
Unless you're munching on something, finding your favorite shows or movies using the Fire TV voice remote is a cakewalk. Using the Fire TV voice remote, you can search for movies, shows, even by actors, director, or genre. Sultan. Just say it, and the voice remote will immediately start streaming your show accurately. This device can tag along anywhere and everywhere. All you need is an HD TV, a Wi-Fi connection, carry it anywhere, and watch anytime. The kids will love it, thanks to the uninterrupted streaming of games and popular animated series like Animal Mechanicals, Chhota Bheem, and Sid the Science Kid. With its parental control feature, you can ensure that kids watch what's right for them. The experience gets even better with Amazon Prime. In addition to thousands of popular movies and TV shows, you also get access to Amazon original series anytime, any place. Switch to smarter entertainment today. Get the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Amazon Fire TV Stick. Fire up your TV.